Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, traction control, backup camera. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.